Modal verbs. Its usage and examples. Can. Can is used to show ability, permission, possibility. Some examples are as follows. He can swim. Can I leave early? It can be helpful. Could. Could is used to show past ability, polite request, possibility. Some examples are as follows. He could run fast. Could you help me? It could rain today. May. May is used to show permission, possibility, wish or blessing. Some examples are as follows. May I come in? It may rain tomorrow. May you live long. Might. Might is used to show weak possibility, suggestion. Some examples are as follows. He might be at home. You might try this method. Shall. Shall is used to show future intention, formal offer. Some examples are as follows. I shall return soon. Shall I help you? Should. Should is used to show advice, expectation. Some examples are as follows. We should eat healthy. He should arrive soon. Will. Will is used to show future certainty. Promise. Some examples are as follows. She will call you. I will always support you. Would. Would is used to show past habit. Polite request. Hypothetical. Some examples are as follows. He would walk every morning. Would you like some coffee? If I were rich, I would travel the world. Like, share and subscribe.